Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove steel bathtub from the bathroom and all the steps I'm gonna take. As you can see, I already removed layer of these tiles. The challenge is I have this pipe here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna cut it in half using this reciprocating saw and a couple of metal blades. But before we do that, we're gonna remove this, and this drain is stuck. It just puts very hard silicone around it everywhere, so it's pretty impossible to remove it. So we're just gonna cut it from that side. I already cut the top drain. I'll be very careful while cutting this. So before making cut, I checked and there is nothing behind it, just no pipes, nothing. I marked the center. That's how I'm gonna cut it. One thing you need to consider when you cut is the depth of installation at the bottom. Basically, I do not want to have, let's say, long metal blade and go with it through the subfloor. So what I'm gonna do, I have this carbon steel blade that's pretty slim, slimmer than the blade I use. I'm just gonna slide it in and see what's the depth I have for my reciprocating saw blade, like that. So I do have about 2.5 inches. So I'll make sure my saw does not go any deeper than that. I will not be changing these tiles, so I have to be careful when cutting here. This stuff does not give up easily. One very important tip: always wear at least N95 dust mask, because you never know what is behind these walls, what is below this bathtub. I have lots of insulation. It's a very old one, and it's very itchy. Okay, so that was a very rough steel bathtub removal. Could have been easier, but again, see, it's installed at least inch below the floor. It was very hard to cut the bottom part. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Hope it was useful. Until the next time, cheers.